Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Judy Africana TV. Today, I'm back to my kitchen to show you another recipe that I enjoy making for my family. It's the egg and spinach stir-fried noodles. And to prepare this meal, I'll be using the Tesco chicken flavor noodles. To start with, I have listed out all the ingredients that we need to prepare this meal. And as we always say, it's time to get into the kitchen and let's get cooking. Hey, welcome to my kitchen. We're back again, and this time we are going to just prepare a very simple meal. It's so easy to make. I know that when we want to make the noodles, we are used to put it in the pot method, but I'm showing you that there's a different method you can use by just putting the noodles, as it is in the bowl and pour hot water over it and leave for like 5 to 6 minutes, And then all the ingredients that you see here is just what we need for the meal. I've got frozen spinach, sliced bell pepper, onions, and I've got blended tomato, and for my spices I've got the chicken cube, smoked paprika, dried pepper, salt, and some chicken stock powder. And I've got 4 eggs, and I'm just going to whisk those eggs before I start my cooking. There we go, the oil is heating up and the noodles is softened now. I usually just check if it is softened enough by just giving it a stir. When I see that it's all softened, I just take it to the sink and drain out the water, and then we're ready to cook. I have whisked the eggs, and I've also drained out the water from the noodles. Waiting now for the oil to heat up, and the best way I can try that is to drop something in. Yes, I think it's ready. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my minced pepper. I love that sizzle, when it sizzles like that, I love it. Look at that. There we go. And I want to drop in my seasonings. I just put all in at once. There we go. I'll give it a stir. I love colors when it comes to cooking. I love colors. Like, look at this, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my tomato. Where's the mommy is shooting a video? I'm gonna stir as well. Look at that. Wow, look at that, it's so colorful. Now the egg is ready to go in, and I'll just give it a stir. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my noodles and just stir it together and allow it for like 5 to 6 minutes. I know this process looks like it's so long, but trust me, this is because I'm doing tutorial. It's not as long as it looks like. So our noodles have been cooking for like 6 minutes, and it's time to add the frozen spinach, and you just stir. There we go. Our noodles is now ready to be served, and I can't wait to taste it. You can join me. Now our meal is served, and just look at how beautiful it is, just the way I like it, and it tastes so good as well. I just want to say thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment for me. Share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. It will really help to, boost my channel. And whatever you don't like about the video, just leave it in the comment section. After all, we're learning every day. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you in my next video. For me, I say bye.